Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix audio crackling on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. So first of all, let's open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then on the sidebar, select System and go to Sound Settings from here. Then we're gonna have to select the default output device, which is speaker in my case, and then navigate down to Advanced Settings, check Audio Enhancements, and if you have any enhancements enabled, try disabling them, and then test your audio once again. And if this improved the situation, then the problem should be solved by now. You can also adjust the volume of your speakers. And if this didn't help you, then we should manually update drivers, audio drivers for our device. And in order to do this, we're gonna have to go to the web browser, then search for HP drivers. Find the official support.hp.com website. Open it, then select a laptop. And after selecting laptop, let this website automatically, we have laptop here, and then select let HP detect your product, click OK. Wait until your device is detected. And once it's detected, select it right here. Then let's select Software and Drivers menu in here if it's not selected yet. Select your operational system, then select your OS version. I recommend just going with Windows 11 without specifying the version. Then click Submit, and then find Driver Audio. And here you'll find both Realtek audio driver, which is our main driver, and we also have the Gaussian and neutral accelerators in here. Let's download both of them by clicking download next to them. So first let's download the main driver and then the accelerator. And after that, let's run both files. Click yes, click next, accept the terms in license agreement, then click next again, and let driver install in your laptop. Now the following window should be opened right now. Okay, I suppose my drivers didn't start installing because I have already installed them on my PC, but anyways, let's install both of these drivers. So let's click next, accept in both of them, and then select the same path. Then let's open our file explorer and let's go to the default path where the drivers are located. It's normally the C disk SWSetup. Here you can select drivers by modified date. We can also make sure that we are selecting the drivers that we need by checking the name of the downloaded. So in my case it's 157 and 158, and here we have 157 and we don't have 158 right here. So yeah, so I guess it's like included or automatically installed. So basically, in order to manually update driver from this file on your laptop, you're gonna have to open the device manager by going to the Start menu and searching for device manager. Then expand audio inputs and outputs, and here we're looking for Realtek audio. Select update driver, and then select browse my computer for drivers. And now let me check this file. Okay, so just basically just select browse. Then let's go to disk C, SWSetup, and let's select 157, which was the number for the Realtek driver. And let's click OK and make sure that you have the include subfolders option checked. Click next, and if you have this on your, if you see this window, that means that you have the same version of the driver as we downloaded, so the latest one. And additionally, if you still want to check for driver updates, we can go to HP Support Assistant application, and in this application open the third tab on the sidebar, then go to Software and Drivers, and then click the refresh button and wait until our device finds any available updates for our device. And in case you have any driver updates here, then check them and click download and install. And after that, make sure to restart your PC by going to the start menu, power options, select restart, let your device reboot, and after the restart, everything should return back to normal. And so yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.